All right, we're going to go over the listings tab right here. So there's a couple of things that are really, really cool with this, and I'm going to go over each one. So first off, when you click on this, it's going to default to my listings, which these are my listings. We got team listings, and then we got all listings. So like this is your team, and this is all MLS right here, right? So when you click on all MLS, it's going to show you everything that is in there. This is the cool part about this, okay? You see where it says matched 18, matched 12, matched 51? This is saying that the leads you have in your system are actually matched with these specific properties. Yes, they should be getting property alerts, so more than likely they've probably seen these, but if you think about how many listings come through, there's a good chance they haven't, okay? So what you want to do is you want to mine your database, is what I call it. So when you're on the all listings tab, you come in here, you check these. I'm going to just grab this one right here, say matched 18. It shows me every single person in here that is matched to this specific property. So if I come in here and I select them, there's 18. I can email them. I can text them, right? Let's just say email. It's going to pull that information in straight from the email, and you can send it to them. Just say, hey, it says this one matches your criteria. I'd love to set up an appointment to be able to go look at it with you, right? Very fast and easy to do that. You can do the same thing with text. It'll send them a link. These, I prefer email. It just makes more sense with this as far as email goes. You can change the pipeline, registration, all that stuff all the way through. So like here I have it for all agents. So like it doesn't matter which agent has these leads. I can send this property to all of them. Doesn't matter. Our whole goal here is to get somebody to respond, somebody to reach out, somebody to show interest so we can move along from there, right? We do this at least once a week, usually a couple times a week. Like this one's got 51. That's a good amount of people to be able to hit from there, right? So this is mining your database, very simple, very easy, but this is inside the listings tab for all listings.